Hello, Ben Levitt here. You may recognize me from YouTube. If not, no worries, go check me out after this course. So I've partnered with Flick to put this course together for you to best equip you with all the knowledge and resources necessary to use hashtags effectively and leverage Flick to help you do that. We all know that growing a business, a following, or even your influence on Instagram is very difficult. And since you're watching this video, you likely know that one of the best free ways to do that without spending thousands on influencers and ads is through the proper use of hashtags. And if you didn't know already, I'll tell you right now, by using hashtags effectively, you could be reaching an extra 20 to 80% more people with each one of your posts. So the whole point of this course is to help you best do that and get you as close as possible to that additional 80% that can bring in new followers, fans, and customers, and show you exactly how Flick can help you do that. With that said though, it's really important to note that we can equip you with the knowledge and the resources, but it's still on you to put in the work. Don't stress too much though, we're gonna walk you through as much as we can in this course to make it as easy as possible. This isn't like for like or follow for follow. This is a long-term strategy, but with it comes long-term results. Included in this course is the 8-post challenge framework, so we can put what we learned to use to capture some data that's gonna make it a little easier to improve our effectiveness moving forward with minimal time and effort. So if you're looking to reach more potential followers on Instagram, you're definitely in the right place, and we've broken this course down into 5 different segments to best help you learn. The first section is establish, and here we just break down why hashtags are essential, how you can best use them, and the biggest and most common mistakes we see when people try to use hashtags. 2 is planning, and here we're gonna outline our target audience, content styles, and setting the framework for the 8-post hashtag challenge. 3 is hashtags, and here we're gonna dive a little bit deeper into Flick to tell you how to source the tailored hashtags for your account and store them for future use. 4 is execute, and here is where we're going to actually create the post that's gonna allow us to compile the data together to best improve our strategy moving forward. And finally, 5 is analyze, and here is where we're gonna take everything we've learned throughout the course and through the 8-post challenge framework to best optimize our strategy and make the right decisions moving forward. So I hope you're as excited as I am. I know you're ready to crush it, so let's dive right into the course and get after it. Let's do it.